Safe space. Safe space.
Still come out. Where will be the main camera focus point? Where are we focusing from? Is it here? The light, there's no light here.
The light is
not started.
Once we start,
what we do is just when you stand. No, nobody's standing here. Nobody go there. We won't start.
How would they block this thing? This light is not there. No, that guy. I didn't know how fun. The function.
Yes, sir.
Because he a fair game, mas é coisa não aqui. É tá. Ela vai estar. You go back, man. Yeah, I'll go.
Thank you.
Yeah, the final way, look like a final way.
Maybe like compliment or things like this. When you don't reach maybe dancing or performance, okay, you can do all of this. What they do now is not necessary.
This top one, right? This place on the club now. Yeah, look at the club. Matpiece.
All right. All right. Good evening, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen. May I please have your attention? Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to officially kickstart tonight's event. And I would like to very respectfully welcome all of us to this gathering tonight. Biko, ebe ọbụla ị nọ, m ga-achọ ka ị nọrọ ọdụ. Ebe ọbụla nọ, biko were oche na mmemme agaghị malite. Biko, ebe ọbụla ị nọ, were oche. Wherever you're seated, please sit honorably. Please, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great joy and a very extreme privilege that I welcome all of us to tonight's event. Tonight is a very special night in the history and the times of Arochukwu as a kingdom. Tonight is not just special because it is one of the events that is climaxing the 2024 year for Arochukwu Kingdom. But it is also a very epoch-making ceremony because tonight we, as a kingdom, will celebrate a great man who once lived, a great man who has made a mark in the history of not just Arochukwu Kingdom, not just the Igbo land, but also in Africa and all over the world. So please, welcome. Cho Okibo Mmamani. Cho Amanama Mmamani. Cho Omezirimba Mmamani. Cho Ndi Omanaduma Mmamani. Ndi no Ori Ori He. Oka Obama said he has a Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, His Eminence is Engineer Dr. Eberechukwu Oji, the SRO of Arochukwu Kingdom, and the lovely wife, Ugoezaro Kibu. Her Eminence, Ugoeze Noma Oji, is seated here amongst us. Please, can you please put your hands together for our Eze. I also want to recognize Eze OBC, Eze Mazi Ngu Okoro. Thank you very much for joining us here and your lovely wife. Before we go into the protocols, I would like to invite Reverend Victor Omume for the opening prayer, and then we go straight into the business of today. Reverend Victor.
Let us pray.
He has been here since 4 p.m. and he's seated there. Thank you very much. I call him I don't know, this is off camera now, the deputy. Ladies and gentlemen, recognizing Mazi Ugochukwu Okorafor. Ladies and gentlemen, the essence of the governor of monitoring. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us. A very illustrious man. Thank you very much, sir. I'd like to recognize especially all Uguaros here present. Please put your...
And that is special in his leadership staff. We are not using them because we don't have anything to have a drawback to say what he did. What was his position when there is crisis? How did he manage crisis? How did he manage peace? How was he able to come out with philosophical statements that has stood the test of time, getting to nearly a century? And an opportunity to have a discussion with Mazi Joshua one chat. He told me he can't do it. And people remember only that his Royal Majesty said, and there is one, but then he said another thing. Someone said, what is it? He said, now you may need to go. How will you go? He said, I said, you will not be able to do it. And we saw almost several decades of prayer and hope and so it became, these are the kind of things we want to see how we can bring back through this kind of event that happened tonight. It's going to be it's a big story that I urge all of us to sit down and also listen and let more things. I hope those who are presenting it as research to get more things he did and how he handled what he how for 72 years. On this stage, I welcome you to the program.
Thank you very much, Mazi, Dr. Friday Kano Uche. Please, can we give him another round of applause? Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday was one of the biggest, most attended, most celebrated, most successful, most thrilling Halloween celebration, and it is the first of His Royal Majesty President Dr. Emeritus Kano Uche. This is just a testament that there is more to come. This is just the beginning. Thank you very much, His Eminence, for putting up such an amazing event. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to, in a few minutes, introduce us to tonight's show. It is the most anticipated. It is people all over the world are glued to their phone screens, to their TV screens, watching, looking out for this event tonight. And I want to tell them, I want to assure them that they will not be disappointed. From the beginning of these plays, from the rehearsals, from the show up, it has all been so dramatic. And tonight you are able to have one of the most amazing theatre experience in history. And it is just to celebrate a very wonderful legend who lived. Talking about Mazi Kano Uche, SRO. A man who till today we revere him so much. No one man in I cannot celebrate it up till now. And that is to show you that the legacy that he left was a very remarkable one. And it's a milestone. Ladies and gentlemen, without wasting much of your time, I would like to introduce Odamwa, a play that we christened Echoes of the Drum. Odamwa is a show that will keep you glued to your seats for these few minutes that will stay here. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, are we ready to sing Udamba? No, I'm not sure we're ready. I'm not sure. Are we ready to sing Udamba? Are we ready to sing Udamba? Ladies and gentlemen, with a clapping ovation, with a resounding ovation, I introduce to you Udamba. Happy New
It's as a question, it's in the comments.
One of them. I will pan this one. I will pan. You know me.
So leave them.
I'm not gonna lie to this.
Just leave them. The one off it.
Look into the word and tell us the context. For the love of Aaron, I have done more. You know, my father lineage was passed from my grandfather to my father, and from my father to my elder brother. It has been my intention to reunite and bring back everything that belongs to my people home. So, did I hear you mention Oko Gadget of Abba when you were introducing yourself? Yes, sir. You did? Yes. Come here. Brother. That's the secret. The symbols on this sound like the symbols of one family. Even the civil signs of it, my consonants with that of the Guru catch of our my young man, Igbo, where did you say you got this from? See, like I said earlier before, I treat this for the Islamic group in British. Britain. This is it. This man is much closer. He is our son. Are you sure? Am I sure? Yes. You're asking me if I am sure. Let me tell you, I can tell that kind of man when he passes in the eye. I can smell how the Lord 10 meters away when it passes in the eye. This is our son. Sir. What do you know about your great grand uncle, Mazikan Ochi? Mazikan Ochi? I know the name from my field of study, of course, but not important, not like the first hand information. I understand him in the book of Arrow for many years. Mazi, I would like to hear the first hand information. You want first-hand information about your great-granduncle? Yes. Mazikan Ochi. First-hand information I will give you. And first-hand information you should hear. Come with me then. Come with me on this spiritual journey into the past. British wanted to conquer the hinterland, break into the hinterland, stepping over Ireland. When they had succeeded in Okobo, King John of Okobo, they thought they could do the same to Ireland. Remember, their first excuse was slave trade. But the slave trade was not a major commodity of trade of the Ireland. It was just an added commodity. The Arab people traded basically salt, banknotes. So, they needed permission from the president, and quickly, Her Majesty ordered an invasion party under the command of one Lieutenant Colonel Forbes Montana.
I know the name.
Beautiful. Quickly, the British army saw themselves. They underestimated our warriors with their arms. Oh, I will taught them a lesson in supremacy. We taught them a lesson in warfare. Oh, what a lesson it was. Come, I'll show you, my son. Come on. The British were taught a lesson that they never had before in warfare. But again, over and over, they never relented. Going back to their base, they went to regroup. They went to plan a counter-attack on Greater Africa. Let me show you. again and again and again and again and again, we repel them. Like a man in command that lets me held back. Oh, my daughters, get up. Mercy. Yes, the arrow economy did suffer a setback from this battle. For the first time, arrow was ruled in clumsy. We prayed, we called on the Almighty, we looked inwards until the Almighty answered us and gave us the truth. He gave us our own truth. I'm sure you're wondering, how does he know all this? From whence cometh all this information? He was only 14 years old when he was made here. But it was not until another 14 years that he could sit on the throne as Ezra. The young king was determined to make a difference. He had been chosen by the gods, the Almighty, and men alike. Oh, he knew the challenges ahead, and like a fortress, he was ready to bear on his bare back. He wasn't a leader who amassed wealth for himself. Nor was he a leader who would proudly then told his offering. No. He understood the extent of power. He understood the limits. He was happy to be an arrow. Like he would say, for those of the young days they can't watch. Business bloomed again in Arrow. From far and wide, people came to seek his counsel. Here was a young king, blessed by the Almighty, accepted by the people, knowledge in their art of healing. Yes, I will tell you. Here's the carnage. There's a formidable harvest. He was gifted, but above all, the Almighty had given the secret. If you kill like this, Esau will make you go. He will cure what we call the stroke. From all around, Ebola, from beyond, he was recognized. Let me take you back again into the pulse of Ezekiel Watch.
may bring charges. So they never.
I am a true son of Abraham. What more can I tell you? What more? But to let you find out yourself. The progress of Isaac carrying your punch. Oro members. Let's assume you provide me with all those bodyguards that will eventually prevent my move from coming to visit you. Hey, my brother, people will start seeing me as a very proud and arrogant person, which is not normal. But meanwhile, I appreciate your concern for me. But then, I have now say, I want to visit. You know, the daughter will be getting married the next Saturday. So I need to visit him and, you know, extend my greetings so that he can, you know, how it is from. I need to start with I understand. Or you want to talk to the bodyguard? where you're coming from. But in the man and the white woman in question has spoken with her sometime. And I did not receive any bad intention. She has never abused our ancestors. And she has never asked any of you not to visit your women. She has also not asked your women not to perform their marital duties in the house. I mean the night duties. Many of my wives have also benefited from her teachings. She is now part of us. I think what we should be talking about is how to support her. I'm not having this argument. The land that she has asked to build, the school that will benefit our children, will be given to her. What we need now is to support her. We need able-bodied men that will help in the construction of this school.
us, stay longer on your feet. And may your cabinet last longer. Yes. It's a pleasure being here. Oh yes. Oh yes. The Queen will be very pleased to hear that.
I also tell the Queen that I, Mazi Amoju, will be in Calabar in Essence. You see me out.
Every moment of tonight's performance. I would like to use this opportunity to recognize very specially the illustrious one that stepped in. Well, stepped in. Well, thank you very much for joining us. Please put your hands together for Ron. President General Ogo King also stepped in. Massive, please, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. And all the illustrious sons and daughters that came in while the play was going on. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to appreciate very specially the cast and crew of Odawa. Please put your hands together. His Eminence, I must tell you, this one is not Hollywood. This one is not Hollywood. Let me share some someone test the poison. She will test the poison. And then the poison will still kill the person that they want to poison. So this is a very spectacular performance tonight, and I am very, very excited. Please celebrate them once more. We would like to especially celebrate those who put in good work to make sure that tonight's performance was a reality. I'll begin by celebrating especially Dr. Ikechukwu Erojekwe Ikuku. Ladies and gentlemen, let us make sure that this future reaches where it has to be. Thank you very much. I guess thank you very much. Celebrating. Now, ladies and gentlemen, finally, the last but not the least, the man I have known for so I've not heard him speak just for 1 minute. Say something to one.
I'm not one for protocol. I don't know how to start. Yeah? Took a flight. We had a massive play yesterday. Took a flight and flew down there. I must tell you that I really am very happy that I came to this boy caught my attention in Lagos. You know, I saw the pictures during the audition here in Lagos, and I called the fan and said to find that any which way this boy was made that production, you know, and he's shown tremendous talent. And I will give you 100,000 naira. So we've got 24 displays. We've done historical plays for the last 7 years. We just did Kickstarter 2 days ago. We've done the world, we've done Sick. We're taking Sick to London next year. We've done Alpha and all of that. You know, but when I saw when I was watching His Eminence, and I saw the script by Dr. Erojekwe, the richness of the story caught my attention.
We have come to a glorious end of tonight's play. But before you go, I'm going to hand this microphone over to His Eminence as Dr. Erojekwe for just a minute. Can we celebrate His Eminence?
This is to release a big thank you to the cast and crew of Odawa Echoes of the Drum, celebrating the life of Jesus Mazi Kalaji. Let's put our hands together for them. Thank you for everyone participating. Really appreciate it. Divine, thank you for good direction. Duke of Shogun, thank you for accepting the challenge to create this beautiful piece. For me, this is both nostalgic, exciting, powerful, strong, and you guys are really blessed. When I told told you that we're going to do this and he said we agreed to do it starting from now. We were all worried how it's going to be. But I'm sure that everybody who came here tonight, you can, agree with me that this has been a huge success. Let's celebrate the effort. Let's celebrate the creativity, I'm really excited and I really want to say everybody thank you. As Duke said, we are committed to it and certainly we will take this around the world. And those of you who are part of it now, by God's grace, I'm trusting God will travel around the world. So that is, thank you everybody. God bless you. Please remember the celebrations continue. Tomorrow, we're going to have a massive crusade here, and we're going to have the international minister, Jonathan minister to us. So please join us here tomorrow for the grand finale of the celebrations RA 2024 as we go to the crusade. On that note, thanks everybody. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. To mark today, His Excellency and everybody sing, please. Let's take a photograph with the cast and crew. Yes, Duke of Shomolu, please. Let's take a quick picture. Today is a historic and remarkable day, so we must put it in the archive of history. I want to specially thank Zik FM 96.3 MHz, who have been airing this advert for over 6 weeks now. Thank you very much for wonderful publicity. Job well done. Thank you very much. I also want to celebrate and thank Arrow News Online for putting this event on various platforms. I also want to thank Ogina Arochukwu and also Arochukwu Mouthpiece and all the indigenous media and blogs who have been carrying this message. Please let us note that tonight's production will continue at Terra Culture Lagos, and this will be a very big exposure for the young actors who have decided. No, we are good to go. That has to be the example. Please come down. Let's use the ground floor, please. Yeah, this is a historic moment. So this will echo and the sounds of the future. This is very historic. Wow, as well.
Okay, take it. 1, 2, 2,
Coach
go.
Kumo Zurike is also there.
Are you good?
Mazu Gochubu Okura for deputy. Yes.
We are good.
He's also in the picture.
We are good.
Mazi Kano is also there. Mazi Adin Dualepa Iwako is also in this photograph. So this one with our illustrious songs. But I can't see Prof. Yes.
That's nice. It's fine now.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us now His Eminence and His
Glenn, move fast, move fast. Move fast, let's go.
Tomorrow at the Civic Center for a very powerful crusade which will feature Pastor Anastiki. Yes, we'll meet again at the same time tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you very much for the man. I'd like to let you know that your anchor for tonight, your host for tonight, me, myself, and I, was a president of the Genesis and for being here.
Igbo anaghị arịọ arịrịọ, Igbo anaghị ezu ozi, Igbo anaghị eme ihe na-ezighị ezi. Ụmụ anyị dum akpata ntị. Nke a sị na ụmụ Igbo na-atụtụkwa aka na ihe ọgwụ ike ya na-akpọ drug use and drug abuse. Nke a wee ji kwuo n'ụmụ Igbo Igbo ọbụla nwere wepụ aka na ihe ọhịa ahụ n'ala Igbo na nwa okorobịa mapụsa n'ụtụtụ nama ma aga chọọ ihe o ji abụ elekọta ezinụlọ ya nke were nke anya ose esi na dịsa isi ya ya chọrọ n'ala arụ a anyị akwụkwọla ya dịka ndị eze ma ndị na-ere ere ma ndị na-amị ahụ ma ndị na-ebu ya agbasa anyị jide gị anyị nyefere n'aka ndị gọọmenti ime ihe kwesịrị ime na ya chọghị ya n'ala arụ na ya chọghị ya n'ala ọkpọtọ